Hey guys, it's good to see you today. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Okay, well today we're going to be starting day 5 on this Monday of our second week of our distance learning. But again, hopefully you guys had a great weekend, and I'm going to go ahead and go over kind of the activities that we're going to be doing for our day 5. Okay, first of all, again, get a book. Any kind of book. The book, read it with your mom, your dad, grandma, grandpa, whoever's at home, even an older brother or sister even, and sit down and read a book with them. But when we're talking about our books today, we're going to talk about two different words. We're going to talk about fiction and nonfiction. These talk about what type of books. If we're talking about a story and it's fiction, it's talking about a story that is fake or not real or make-believe. Fiction, it's a story that is not real. And nonfiction, we use that when we talk about a story that is true or real, about something that really happens. Okay, what I want you to do is I want you to talk about your story you read and talk about with them, is it a fiction story made up, or is it a nonfiction story, a real story? Okay, and talk about that. And also, again, practice your sight words. Practice those sight words over and over until you got them down. Okay, and then what I want you to do also is I want you to, we've talked about our vowels. Vowels are certain letters that make two different sounds. Our vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. What I want you to do is I want you to draw a picture of a word that starts with each of the vowels. The first one I've done for you, A, apple. So what I want you to do is draw a picture of an apple. Apple. Now, and what I want you to do is find something for E, I, O, and U, and draw a picture with those things. Okay? After that, we want to move on to math. I want to talk about identifying coins, coin money. You know, penny, nickel, dime, quarter. You know, we have our penny, we have our nickel, we have our dime, and we have our quarter. Okay? And what I want you to do, our penny is worth 1 cent, nickel is worth 5 cents, a dime is worth 10 cents, and a quarter is worth 25. What I want you to do is look around your house, see if you can find just a little bit of change. I want you to see if you can count them. See how much change you can come up with. Practice counting our change. Your pennies, your nickels, your dimes, and your quarters. Practice adding and identifying those. Okay, also, what I want you to do is I want you to again count from 1 to 100. I know some of you have heard you've been practicing that and doing very good at it. Keep doing it all the way, 1 to 100. And also again, practice your writing. Your numbers, 0 through 20. Okay, let's count them together. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Yeah, practice writing them. Very good. Okay, and for our science part, again, I want to talk about the weather, but a certain type of weather. You know, we have severe weather. In Oklahoma, you know, sometimes we have storms where it rains hard, or we have thunderstorms, or we have, some cases, tornadoes. Okay, what I want you to do is I want you to talk with your parent or whoever's home with you. Talk to them about what do you do when there's a severe storm, and where do you go? Do you have a safe place in your house that you go if there's a bad storm? Is there a place in your home that you go to take shelter really from a bad storm where you guys get to stay safe? what I want you to do is I want you to draw a picture. Talk about that and then draw a picture of your safe place as part of your science. Okay, part of our science, talking about the weather, severe weather, and what we do when it happens. Okay, and for the last social studies, well, we talked about flags. We talked about the American flag and what it represents, the stars or the 50 states. What I want you to do today is think about if you were making you a flag for you. What symbols, like the stars or the stripes, what would be on your flag to represent you or to show it's you? See, I did a flag about me right here. This was what my flag might be like. Okay, since I like coffee. See, my flag has a coffee cup. Yeah. Music, I put some music notes on my flag. Oh, I even drew a schoolhouse because I'm a teacher. I like going to school. And also, I drew a ukulele on there because I play ukulele. These are all things that represent me or things that I like and things that I do. What I want you to come up with is come up with a flag that represents who you are, the things you like. Okay? And that's it for today, okay? And again, you have a great day. I wish I could be there to help you and to talk it out, but you have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.